Today, we will discuss Leonardo AI and DeepGram. Both platforms are based on cutting-edge artificial intelligence, particularly deep learning frameworks. Both seek to enhance efficiency for their users. Essentially, both illustrate how AI is utilized to automate intricate tasks to offer robust tools for creative and practical uses. Now, let's examine the main features of these two platforms. Leonardo AI is a platform dedicated to creating visual content. It employs AI model to generate images from text prompts, enabling users to create different types of digital art, illustrations, and other visual materials. It is aimed at artists, designers, and creators looking to utilize AI for visual production. Main characteristics consist of generation of images from text, image to image editing, tailorable AI frameworks. DeepGram focuses on the crucial process of converting spoken language into accurate written text, establishing itself as a top speech to text API. Created for developers and companies, it tackles the essential demand for precise and swift transcription services. DeepGram's effectiveness is evident in various situations, such as the thorough examination of customer exchanges through call center transcription, the improvement of audio content accessibility through podcast transcription, and the essential support for voice assistants. All in all, Leonardo AI is for creating images, while DeepGram is for transcribing speech. They are not competing technologies, but rather tools that serve very different purposes.